If you want to create stunning woodworking projects quickly and easily, then please pay attention to what I'm about to tell you. My name is Ted, and I've been working with wood my entire life. I'd like to show you exactly how you can start building woodworking projects easily and in the shortest time with my 16,000 done-for-you woodworking plans. Listen closely. Most guides and magazines that deal with woodworking are complete garbage. They skip over many parts, and the diagrams are often unclear or wrong. No wonder woodworking seems so hard. The truth is, I've spent a ton of time looking online and reading magazines. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. So, I've spent the last 2 years putting together a comprehensive woodworking package with a clear, detailed, step-by-step system that didn't leave anything to the imagination. This is going to change the way you look at woodworking forever. Introducing Ted's Woodworking, the complete package of over 16,000 woodworking plans and blueprints. With Ted's Woodworking, you'll get over 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step blueprints and easy-to-follow instructions. With over 16,000 plans, you'll find a plan for every project you can dream of. From small crafts and furniture designs to large outdoor projects and everything in between. All kinds of woodworking plans covering the spectrum of modern-day woodworking are included. Everything you can think of, I got it. What's more, every plan comes with an accurate bill of material to make your shopping trip and cost estimation easy and hassle-free. I'll hold you by the hand and guide you every step of the way. My plans are designed to get the job done quickly, inexpensively, and with professional results every time. All of these plans are very easy to use and easy to follow. You don't need to have fancy woodworking skills or high-dollar tools. These are easy-to-read 2D plans with 3D isometric views showing you all the critical steps you need to follow when constructing your project. So, let me break it down for you.